Good evening. I'm wondering if all your legs are aching as much as mine after our Joe Wicks workout day 2. I'm just preparing you for day 3 for tomorrow, just preempting some work that is needed. It's a little bit more meaty tomorrow. You're going to need to work your brains a little bit more. The first task you're going to be doing is on page 6 and it requires some calculations. And the calculations on page 7 are to work out the area of the colour on each flag. So it's a multi-step problem. We're going to start by working out the area covered by the entire flag. So you're going to need to multiply the height times the width. So you'd do 58 times 90 to work out the whole space that this area is taking up. And our answer would be written in centimetres squared. So now that we've worked out the entire area, we can next look at the area of the yellow. Now you can see that the yellow area are 2 triangles of the same size. And what you're going to do is you're going to work out the area of those triangles. If you imagine they're together, they would take up this space here, this rectangular space here. So we're going to work out how far along the bottom of this triangle goes. So we need to take 65 centimetres away from 90 centimetres to work out this length here. We can see that this is the same size as this bit here. So once we've taken 65 centimetres away from 90 centimetres, we know we can then multiply that measurement by this measurement, and that will tell us the area of the 2 triangles put together. Once we have that area, we can subtract the yellow area, so the size of the 2 triangles put together, from the entire space taken up by the flag, and then we can take the answer will then tell us what the blue area is. And remember, we need to make sure that we write our answers with centimetres with the measurement at the end. If it's a length, a height or a width, it's centimetres, and if it is the area, it's centimetres squared. So the little 2 above that, just after the M. So hopefully you'll be able to do this. If you're a little bit stuck, or if you're finding it quite straightforward, please feel free to make comments in the comments section of YouTube. Hopefully I haven't confused you and you'll be able to have a go at this independently. Once you've finished, obviously you can check your answers and see if you've got it right. Fingers crossed for your maths. Your English today will be your spellings, obviously, are here, year 3, 4 and 5, 6 spellings. Make sure you're looking for the pattern. For your English, we're going to be doing some reading. So if we have a quick look at the reading practice, I believe it's in this folder here, the one that says reading, and it's a fiction reading. This is based on the book The Hunger Games. Massive recommendation for you. If you haven't read them, read them. If you've seen the films, they're a 12A, and they're really good, but they're nowhere near as good as the books. So that's another must read for you. So this one requires you to read the very small amount of writing and answer the questions. You'll see here that questions 3 and 4 leave a little bit more space. How and why. So you need to explain the feelings of the tributes. If you read the excerpt, it will tell you who they are. And you need to explain why. Like basically, how do you know that's what they're feeling? So give some examples. A couple of things they'll be feeling and some examples from the text. So 2 sentences. Likewise for question number 4. Look at the text. What do you think will happen to the tributes when the gong goes off? What clues has the text given you to suggest that what you think will happen will happen? So it's a bit of a prediction, but based on the fact from the text. So I think that is all for today in terms of these work packs. Have a good Joe Wicks workout in the morning, and please do feel free to comment on the videos so I know how you're getting on. Take care. Bye.